Welcome to my bird tutorial. You can see right there. What you'll need is a hook, and I'm using a size J, which is 6 millimeters. Really, you can use any size you want, just depending on how big of a bird you want. And it doesn't take much yarn. I'm just using some extra yarn that I had. So what you're going to start with is a magic circle. So I like to wrap it around like that. Put my needle through. Okay. Hook your yarn around, pull it through, hook around, and that's your first chain. And what you're going to do is chain 2 more. 1, 2. Okay, so you've got 3 chains coming out of that magic circle. Alright, now you're going to do 5 double crochets into the circle. So wrap around, under, through, those 2, those 2. Okay, and let me tug on that tail a little bit so I can hold it better. Okay. Alright, so we've got our 3 chain and 1 double crochet. So we need 4 more double crochet stitches into this magic circle. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm going to take my tail and tighten that up a little bit, and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is what we have right now, which is part of this. Alright, I'm going to turn this over, and then we're going to work on a second row here. Okay, so now I'm going to do a double crochet into the same double crochet stitch that I did the 3 chains out of. Just like that. I'm going to want to increase, so I'm going to do 2 double crochets in each of these double crochet stitches. Okay, you're going through both back and front loops. Okay. One, 2, 1, and 2. Okay, and when you get to this last one with the 3 chain, you're doing same thing. 1, 2. Okay, so you should have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 double crochets on this. Let me count just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, see, I actually need to put my last 2 double crochets into this chain 3. So just like that. 1, 2. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to chain 3 again. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, turn this over, do a double crochet into that same stitch, just like that. Alright, and then we're going to do 1 double crochet in this next one. Okay, like that. And then we're going to do 2 double crochet in the next one. And basically you're going to alternate this. Okay, so right now we have 1, 1, 2. Okay, now we're going to do 1 in this one, and then 2. 1, 2, then 1, and then 2, okay, then 1 again, 2, okay, and then you're going to put 1 inside the chain 3. Just like that. So right now we have that part done. Okay, now what we're going to do is chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because we're building our tail. Alright, first chain we're going to go back into is going to be a slip stitch. So we'll go into the second one from our hook and pull through and pull through. Alright, next one we're going to do a single crochet. So pull out, pull through, okay, and then a half double crochet. So wrap, put through, and then pull your yarn all the way through all 3. Okay, and then the next 4 you're going to do double crochets. Or sorry, next 3. Sorry, again, actually do a half double crochet in the next one again. So you're going to have a slip stitch, single crochet, half, half, and then these 3 do double crochet in each. And that'll be the end of the tail. Okay, so now we're going to go across the back right here. And how you're going to do that is double crochets. And so wrap, and then what I'm going to do, because you have to do 2 into this double crochet chain right here. You could go through the space, but as you can see on this one, what it did was it created a hole. So what I would suggest is to not do that, but find, yeah, part of that double crochet stitch to anchor that to. So let's do our double crochet. Perfect. And then I'm going to do this one. And that way we don't have a hole there. You see that? Okay. Alright, next is we've got to put 2 double crochets into this chain right here. So again, just find that second chain or middle chain. Put in there, and then I'm going to find the first chain right here. Perfect. Okay. Alright. Next is going to be 2 double crochet in our next double crochet stitch. So just find part of that through, Okay, see that? Alright, now next is going to be 1 double crochet into the middle of that magic ring, magic circle. Okay, now 2 into this chain. Alright, and then 2 more into this double crochet stitch. Looks like I have a tougher one right here. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to start building the head. So you're going to do 1 double crochet into this first chain right here. Sorry. Alright, that first chain right here. Alright, but we're not done with that chain. We're actually going to do, make sure I tell you the right number. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 treble crochets into that same chain. So we're going to wrap twice, go in, wrap again, pull out, go through the first 2, through the next 2, up to the last 2 to make that treble. Alright, now we need to do 7 more of those. Wrap around twice, through, 2, okay, 3, 1, 2, 3, halfway there, and I'll start the curve and bend to make the shape of the head. Okay, so right now I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 2 more. Okay. Alright. Now to make the beak, you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And slip stitch into that first one. So, let's see. Alright, so first one's right here. Let's go in. Looks like I got through the middle of it. I'm sorry. Pull through. Pull through. Okay. And then what we're going to do is do another treble. But it's not going to be in the same chain right here. It's going to be in this one next to it. So wrap twice. Go here. Alright, and then do a double crochet into that one. Okay, and then do a half double. Same chain. Okay, half double. Then you're going to do a single crochet into it, and then you will slip stitch into your next chain to finish it off. Okay, and just chain up 1. Cut your yarn and pull. Okay. Let's kind of move him around a little bit. Alright, and that is how you'll make your bird that you can attach. Alright. Thank you.